Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So we're comparing the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill and the Weber Spirit E-425, both propane grills. What stands out to you first?
Well, the Traveler is clearly designed for portability, right? It weighs only 32 pounds and has dimensions of 42.72 dx 43.6 inches, wx 37.2 inches h. The Spirit E-425 is a beast at 102.5 pounds and 26.6 dx 51.8 inches, wx 46.2 inches h. So, big difference there.
Yeah, definitely. The Traveler is advertised as taking up minimal space and fitting in a car trunk. The Spirit is more of a stay-at-home grill. But look, the Spirit boasts 4 burners and a sear zone with 40% more power. The Traveler only has 1 burner, pumping out 12,000 BTUs.
Ah, BTUs. The Spirit E-425 has 19,000 BTUs. And that sear zone sounds amazing for getting a good crust on steaks. So while the Traveler is great for tailgating, the Spirit is for serious grilling.
Exactly. Cooking surface is another key difference. The Traveler fits about 15 burgers, while the Spirit has a cooking surface area of 428 square inches, which is good for a family gathering.
I see. And the Spirit E-425 has some cool features, like WeberWorks compatibility, letting you snap on accessories. It uses stainless steel flavorizer bars to catch drippings, and has a grease management system. Does the Traveler have any of that?
It has tool hooks, a side table, and a built-in thermometer. It uses a 1 lb propane tank, but can connect to a 20 lb tank with an adapter. But, from a warranty perspective, the Traveler has a 5-year limited warranty, and the Spirit has a 10-year limited warranty.
Okay, so the Spirit E-425 is an investment, built to last and expandable with accessories. The Traveler is simple, portable, and perfect for smaller groups or on-the-go grilling. Price-wise, the Traveler is around $449, while the Spirit is $599. So, portability versus power and features.
Pretty much. Depends on your grilling needs, right? If you need something you can easily move, the Traveler is the way. If you want power and features and don't mind the size, the Spirit E-425 is the better choice. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.